Welcome to the Biotechnology lecture series. This is the second lecture on the introduction of biotechnology. In this lecture, we will cover the applications of biotech in medicine, agriculture, environment, forensic science, food production, livestock, and algae, and at last the products of biotech. Medicine can be categorized into three main areas like genetic engineering, in which biotechnology plays a crucial role in producing therapeutic proteins and vaccines. For example, the production of insulin using genetically modified bacteria like E. coli or yeast. Gene therapy, in which biotechnology enables the modification of genes to treat genetic diseases. The development of gene therapies for conditions like hemophilia or cystic fibrosis is an example. And pharmacogenomics, in which personalized medicine based on an individual's genetic makeup is made possible through biotechnology. Genetic testing helps tailor drug treatments e.g. testing for BRC, a mutations in breast cancer treatment. In agriculture, there are genetically modified organisms that allow the creation of GMOs with enhanced traits, such as pest resistance or improved nutritional content. Examples include bee cotton and golden rice. Crop improvement, through which techniques like marker-assisted breeding, biotechnology accelerates the development of crops with desired traits like drought tolerance or disease resistance. And precision farming, in which tools like CRISPR-Cas9 enable precise gene editing for crop improvement. In the environment, there is bioremediation, in which microorganisms engineered through biotechnology can help clean up polluted environments. For instance, bacteria can be modified to degrade oil spills. Wastewater treatment, which is used to develop efficient wastewater treatment processes where microorganisms break down contaminants. And biodegradable plastics, which contributes to the production of biodegradable plastics using engineered microbes that can degrade plastic waste. In forensic science, there is DNA analysis, which is essential in forensic DNA analysis, helping identify suspects and victims. Polymerase chain reaction, PCR, and DNA fingerprinting are common techniques. And forensic botany, which plant DNA analysis, can be used in forensic investigations to identify botanical evidence at crime scenes. In food production, there is fermentation, which is used in food production, such as cheese and yogurt, where microorganisms are employed for fermentation. Enzyme engineering, in which enzymes produced through biotechnology enhance food processing and quality, e.g., producing high fructose corn syrup. And food safety testing, in which biotechnology methods are employed for rapid and accurate food safety testing, detecting contaminants like pathogens or allergens. In livestock and fisheries, there is animal cloning that can be used for cloning livestock with desirable traits for breeding purposes, such as high milk yield or disease resistance. And selective breeding, in which genetic markers and biotechnology tools assist in selective breeding programs to improve livestock and fisheries. In algae and fungi, there is biofuel production, in which algae can be genetically modified to produce biofuels like biodiesel. Fungi are also used in bioprocessing for enzyme production. And medicinal compounds, in which fungi are sources of bioactive compounds used in medicine, like antibiotics, which is penicillin. Biotechnology not only enhances productivity and sustainability in these fields, but also opens doors to innovative solutions for various global challenges. However, ethical and safety considerations must accompany these advancements to ensure responsible use and minimize potential risks. The protection of biotech products, in which obtaining patents for novel biotech inventions grants exclusive rights to the inventor for a specified period. And regulatory oversight, which stringent regulatory approval processes act as a barrier to market entry for biotech products, ensuring safety and efficacy. The contracts and licensing companies use contracts and licensing agreements to control how their products are used, generating revenue through fees and royalties. And at last, the ethical considerations, adhering to ethical guidelines and addressing societal concerns helps maintain public trust and support. That's all for today. See you in the next video for lecture number 3.